Are you tired of wondering what really makes a man attractive to women? Do you often find yourself pondering the secrets behind that captivating charm that some men effortlessly possess? Well, worry not, because today we're delving deep into the world of attraction, uncovering the 12 irresistible qualities that women just can't resist in a man. As the wise philosopher once said, "Know thyself." And today, we're setting off on a journey to explore what it truly takes to capture the hearts and minds of the fairer sex. From the subtle allure of a masculine scent to the magnetic pull of confidence and leadership, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest to unveil the secrets of irresistible charm. So buckle up and get ready to take notes, because by the end of this discussion, you'll be armed with the knowledge and skills to make any woman feel weak at the knees. Are you prepared to embody irresistible charm? If so, let's dive right in and discover the magic together. Number 1, masculine cologne. Imagine walking into a room and immediately capturing everyone's attention, not just with your appearance, but with an aura of irresistible charm. This is the power of a quality cologne. It's more than just a fragrance. It's a subtle yet potent tool that introduces you before you even speak a word. Think of it as the opening act of a captivating story, with your scent as the protagonist. A good cologne sends a message of sophistication, confidence, and allure. It whispers hints of mystery and sensuality, enticing those around you with its captivating aroma. When chosen thoughtfully, it becomes an extension of your personality, leaving a lingering trail of intrigue wherever you go. Number 2, intelligence. Intelligence is a quality that goes beyond physical appearance and holds a profound influence on a man's appeal to women. It's more than just knowledge. It's the ability to engage in intellectually stimulating conversations. Women are attracted to men who can hold their own in discussions, share insightful perspectives, and challenge their minds. A man who showcases intelligence not only demonstrates his capacity for learning, but also his depth of understanding of the world. This fosters a dynamic and enriching relationship where both individuals can learn and grow together intellectually. Essentially, intelligence is an irresistible trait to women, as it reflects a man's mental prowess and his capacity to connect with them on a deeper level. Number 3, leadership and confidence. Leadership and confidence act like a magnetic force that attracts women to men. Confidence isn't just about arrogance or being a know-it-all. It's about projecting strength, stability, and self-assurance. When a man carries himself with confidence, he stands out, radiating an aura of assurance that is highly appealing to women. This confidence reflects in various aspects of life, from making decisions with conviction to effortlessly taking charge of situations. A man who can lead with confidence not only earns respect, but also inspires a sense of security and trust in those around him. Ultimately, leadership and confidence work together, forming a potent combination that makes a man irresistible to women. Number 4, empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, and it plays a crucial role in building meaningful connections. For women, a man who shows empathy demonstrates a high level of emotional intelligence that is deeply attractive. When a man can genuinely listen and empathize with a woman's experiences, it cultivates trust and understanding, laying the groundwork for a strong relationship. Empathy facilitates genuine communication and fosters deep emotional connections, showcasing that a man is capable of acknowledging and validating a woman's emotions. A man who displays empathy isn't just attentive to a woman's needs, he also makes her feel seen and understood. This ability to empathize creates a bond that goes beyond surface-level interactions, making a man truly irresistible to women who seek emotional connection and understanding in their relationships. Number 8, independence. Independence is more than just a personal trait. It's a quality that exudes confidence and self-assurance, making it incredibly attractive to women. A man who is independent demonstrates that he is capable of standing on his own 2 feet, both emotionally and practically. This trait implies a level of self-reliance and resilience that women find appealing, as it signifies a partner who can navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. This sense of inner strength and autonomy can be incredibly alluring to women, suggesting a level of maturity and self-awareness that is highly desirable in a partner. Ultimately, independence is not about being detached or aloof, but about having a strong sense of self and the ability to thrive independently, which can make a man truly irresistible to women. Number 9. Generosity. Generosity is a trait that holds immense power in the realm of attraction. It goes beyond material gifts and extends into the realm of emotional generosity and kindness. When a man exhibits generosity, whether through small acts of kindness or grand gestures, it signals to a woman that he is caring, compassionate, and considerate. This can create a sense of trust and security, fostering a deeper connection between them. It demonstrates an understanding of the importance of giving without expectation, which is highly valued in relationships. By embodying generosity, a man not only enhances his appeal, but also creates a foundation for meaningful and fulfilling connections with women who appreciate his kind-hearted nature. Number 10. Manners. Manners speak volumes about a person's character and integrity. Exhibiting good manners, such as opening doors, offering jackets, and actively listening, not only shows respect for others, but also demonstrates thoughtfulness and consideration. These simple yet impactful gestures can leave a lasting impression on women, making them feel valued and appreciated. Moreover, displaying manners indicates a level of emotional intelligence and social grace, qualities that are highly attractive to women seeking meaningful connections. By practicing courtesy and etiquette in interactions, men can create a positive and welcoming atmosphere that fosters genuine connections. Ultimately, manners serve as a foundation for building trust and rapport, paving the way for deeper and more fulfilling relationships with women. Number 11. Dignity. Dignity is the hallmark of self-respect and integrity, making it an essential trait that women find irresistibly attractive in men. When a man carries himself with dignity, he exudes confidence and self-assurance, commanding respect from those around him. This quality signifies a deep understanding of one's own worth and values, allowing a man to set clear boundaries and stand firm in his beliefs. By maintaining dignity, a man demonstrates his ability to handle situations with grace and poise, even in challenging circumstances. This sense of self-assuredness and composure can be incredibly appealing to women, as it indicates emotional maturity and stability, qualities that form the foundation of a strong and lasting connection. Number 12. Young at heart. Remaining young at heart is essential for keeping relationships alive and thriving. It's not about acting immature or reckless, but rather embracing spontaneity, excitement, and a zest for life. Being young at heart involves approaching each day with a sense of wonder and enthusiasm, eagerly seeking new experiences and opportunities to create lasting memories together. Couples who stay young at heart often engage in playful activities, surprise each other with thoughtful gestures, and continuously find ways to keep the spark alive. Whether it's planning spontaneous weekend getaways, exploring new hobbies together, or simply enjoying each other's company with laughter and joy, embracing a youthful mindset can infuse relationships with excitement and vitality, making them irresistible to both partners. So, gentlemen, let's keep that youthful spirit alive. Embrace these traits and become the best version of yourself. After all, as the saying goes, be the kind of man you'd want your daughter to be with. So, are you ready to unlock your irresistible potential and embark on a journey of genuine connections? Let's dive in and discover the irresistible qualities within you. And to all our viewers, we extend a heartfelt thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Together, let's empower each other to become the best versions of ourselves. Until next time, stay irresistible.